This video, we're going to do a rebuild on this carburetor. It's a Tilletson. I think it's a SH something or other. Anyway, I have the carb kit. It goes on a Super XL. This will work on a Super XL, the Craftsman 3.7s, and very similar to the 3700s and the 306As, 245As. These all have the same carburetor. So let's go ahead and start. Go ahead and take everything out of this one. Screws out. I don't know what this carburetor is going to be like. It doesn't look like it's ever been apart before. Just know it came off a saw that had a very dirty gas tank and the fuel line was all messed up. So it's probably going to need to be rebuilt. Pry it up like that. Doesn't look too bad. Not too bad. Or the top don't. It's definitely a little stiff. Take that off so you can get the bottom off. Sometimes these like to rip and stay like on the bottom. This one seems to be coming off pretty good. You see what I mean? That little bit right there. That ain't nothing. You can scrape off your fingernail. That really ain't gonna matter right there. See, there's a little bit of it's coming off. Let's pick at it a little bit. That's pretty good right there. Just like that. Push it down in. Now you're going to watch out where you put this. So, just like that. And then you get your gasket laid on there. Like that. And your top plate. Put that back on just like that. The old screen, yeah, but it does some stuff. Not too bad though. Get them all snug, and then go around, tighten them up. That'll be good right there. Yeah, put it on the saw and see if it works.